I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is something I don't normally do. See this beautiful hair? I'm gonna cut it off. Why is she hanging upside down? Now this could go terribly wrong and you may never see this video. It could go terribly wrong and we use it for a blooper video.
Use it anyway.
Use it anyway. When I was in school, and even after school, girls with long hair, when they trimmed their edges, they would go over the toilet, depending on the length of their hair, because some of us, it would have been in the water, over the toilet in the bathroom, and they would cut their hair straight across. And that's not so straight. Like I said, this could go terribly wrong. I cut Darren's hair and I cut my Yorkshire Terrier's hair. Yeah, that's a little off.
Yeah, you're not holding her straight up and down.
Yeah, I see it now. Okay, so we'll see. Let's flip it up and see what we have. Oh, we have it shorter than I had wanted it. How about that? Well, let's do this. Now I might need a hand to hold her while I'm doing this, so Darren might have to buzz out. Yeah, that got shorter than I wanted it. What I want to do is pull this up like this and take that uneven, you know, make it a little uneven, and I need to do that with smaller pieces. Yeah, I'm going to need a hand. I have to tell a story. I might not be good at doll hair, which you'll see in a minute. Sometimes I have ideas and they're really, really good ideas. And other times they fail. This is somewhere in there. I keep looking at it and cutting it a little more here and a little more there. Years ago, Darren and I took in these 3 Cocker Spaniels that needed a new home. And they were cute and they were good little dogs and they loved to get to be groomed. And I took on the job of grooming them, and all I had was a pair of scissors and a dog brush. So I did 2 of them and I got out the 3rd, the oldest, and I stood him up and I brushed him, and oh, he was just loving it. And I started with the scissors and I'm cutting. You have to be really careful. You never pull the hair out on a dog and cut. You can cut their skin. You have to be very careful. You put your hand between. So anyway, I'm cutting his hair, and I swear to you, I'm cutting his hair, and he turned around and looked at me, and I knew exactly what he was thinking. You have no idea what you're doing, do you? But he was a good boy, and I cut his hair. I cut Darren's hair. I've cut 4 Cocker Spaniels and 5 Cocker Spaniels and my little Yorkshire Terrier. And the trick to it, for me, is to do their hair about 3 to 7 days before we're going somewhere, because it has a chance to, you know, work itself out and grow a little bit. That's not going to happen with my doll. I have learned something. Never take a doll out of the box and take scissors to her hair. It's not what I had in mind, but I can work with that. I have this idea. Oh no, another idea. Let me turn this around and show you. If I could, I'm going to keep, she'll have a bob by the next time you see her. I'm going to keep kind of doing this and doing this to cut the odd hairs. But all in all, I can work with this for the project I'm doing. Thank you for watching our video that I should entitle How to Ruin a Doll Right Out of the Box. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.